Dear students, today I am going to tell you about what is an optical fiber. Now, as I have shown in this diagram, optical fiber is made up of three parts. The first part over here, which is shown, it is called as an innermost core layer, core. Upon that, we are having a cladding layer, and upon whole this assembly, we are having something called as protective or jacket layer, which is like an insulation tape. Okay. Now the innermost core layer, what we are having, the light which is going to pass through this optical fiber will pass only through this core layer. It should not come out and interact with the cladding layer. It should not come out and get lost in the cladding layer. It should go in the core layer only. And for this purpose, we have to maintain one standard relationship. That is, whatever material we are going to use for core, whether it is glass or plastic, and whatever material we are going to use for cladding, whether it is glass or plastic, there should be a difference in their refractive indices. The refractive index of the core material should be more than the refractive index of the cladding material. Whichever material you use, whether it is a glass material or a plastic material, the refractive index of the core material should be more than the refractive index of the cladding material. With this condition, what will happen is that whatever light goes into the core material, in that core material, it will follow total internal reflection. It will go in the core material only. It will not come out of the core material. So it will follow total internal reflection in the core material, and from one point of the optical fiber, it can get propagated to the other end of the optical fiber. This is how light travels in an optical fiber. The light travels in an optical fiber with the principle of total internal reflection. Okay, and that reflection has to be only in the core layer. It should not come out of the core layer. The light should not get lost into the cladding layer. And to maintain this, we are maintaining the refractive indices of the two materials. And on this whole assembly, you will be having a insulation tape like a material which will be called as a protective or a jacket layer. This makes the optical fiber a strong cable for transmission.